Number 1. 1986 Ford F150, price $9,500, well-maintained classic truck with 89,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission in 4WD, with a clean white exterior and a blue interior that remains in great condition for its age. This truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a 302 Windsor V8 engine, which has been replaced with a roller engine that has been driven approximately 4,300 miles. It comes equipped with a CB radio and the original matching camper shell. The interior looks excellent, all glass is in good shape, and the tires have decent tread. The frame is solid with no rust, though there is some surface rust on the hood and top of the truck, as shown in the pictures. With its combination of classic styling, practical features, and a clean title in the owner's name, this F-150 is a unique and appealing find for enthusiasts. Number 2. 1999 Ford F-250, price $9,999, showing approximately 158,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy and smooth to drive in both city and highway conditions. The exterior is finished in a clean black color, while the interior comes in gray, giving the truck a classic and practical look. Inside, the truck is equipped with air conditioning, full power controls, cruise control, and a tilt wheel, providing comfort and convenience for daily use or long trips. The cabin has been maintained in clean condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. In terms of capability, this F-250 includes 4-wheel ABS for added safety, along with a towing package for hauling needs. It also comes with a durable bed liner, alloy wheels, and a set of great tires that complement its strong road presence. The heavy-duty metal bumper, two-tone paint accents, and fender flares add to its tough and rugged appearance, making it stand out from other trucks in its class. Number 3. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500, short bed pickup with a clean title and approximately 200,000 miles on it. Finished in a white exterior with a gray interior, the truck maintains a classic 90s GMC look. It is equipped with a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, both of which are reported to be in good working order. The engine runs strong, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it a dependable driver for its age. Although this Sierra is not in perfect condition, the seller emphasizes that its imperfections are typical for a truck from 1996. It currently has about $300 due in registration tags, but remains fully operational. Number 4. 1993 Ford F-150, price $7,000. It has approximately 173,000 miles on its 4.9L inline-6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior with a black interior, running on gasoline. The truck has been upgraded with a 6-inch rough country lift, new BFG tires mounted on Mickey Thompson wheels, and new rear shackles to enhance its stance and ride quality. The exterior has been refreshed with new headlights, taillights, a new grille, new chrome-vented front bumper, new chrome rear bumper, and new windshield chrome trim. It also includes new automatic running boards for easier access. The interior has been updated with a new headliner, new radio with all new speakers, new black carpet, and a new bench seat, offering a clean and comfortable cabin with no dash rattle. Mechanically, the truck has received thorough attention, including all engine services completed, new USB cold air intake, new drum brakes, new brake lines, and a new exhaust system. Number 5. 1982 GMC 2500, price $5,000. Features an automatic transmission with a brown exterior and a black interior, running on gasoline. It originally came with a 6.2L diesel engine but is now equipped with a 1967 Camarosource 327 paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The truck has one small rust spot on the driver's side door sill, as shown in the photos. It has been updated with new belts, hoses, a carburetor, distributor cap, rotor, spark plugs, plug wires, and an air cleaner. A new dash trim is included, though not yet installed. The tires are in good condition at roughly 70%, and it also has a brand new windshield. A diamond plate toolbox is mounted in the bed. The body shows a few dents in various places, and the speedometer is currently non-functional, with no diagnosis yet performed. The vehicle comes with a clean title. Number 6. 1968 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800, shows approximately 150,000 miles and is finished in black inside and out. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with a manual transmission. The truck carries a clean title and has been upgraded with a 5.3 LLS swap paired to a 5-speed transmission, although the fifth gear is currently missing, yet it still cruises smoothly in fourth. Additional performance updates include an aftermarket intake, headers, full exhaust system, a large radiator, and an electric fan to keep temperatures steady. It features a front disc brake conversion for improved stopping power, along with lowering springs, blocks, and new shocks that give it a planted stance. All lights are fully functional, and the glass remains in decent condition throughout.
Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has approximately 211,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a red interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.7L 350 TBI engine, the truck drives smoothly and performs reliably. It is also fitted with power windows and power door locks, adding convenience to its classic build. The truck sits on 15 by 12 Luxor wire wheels with bolt-on installation, paired with a semi-new full set of tires. Overall, the body is clean and rust-free. The passenger side fender does have a dent, but replacement parts are already included, matching color hood, both fenders, and both doors, though they are not pictured. Despite being in good running and driving condition, the current owner can no longer keep it. The truck is fully registered under the owner's name.
Number 8.
1994 Chevrolet Silverado, price $2,800. This truck has 164,000 miles on it and runs with an automatic transmission. It comes in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, and it uses gasoline as its fuel type. The truck has a clean title, and all tags are fully paid. There are a few issues worth noting. The rear lights are currently not functioning, and if the truck sits parked for more than 4 days, the battery tends to die, possibly due to an alternator problem, which would be a relatively inexpensive fix.
It also requires a bit more effort when making turns.
Aside from those concerns, it drives well overall and simply needs someone who can give it the attention and care it deserves.
Number 9.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,750, shows around 300,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, finished in a gold exterior with a matching brown interior. The truck carries a clean title and is described as running and driving exceptionally well, with no mechanical issues reported. Both the engine and transmission are in strong condition, making the vehicle reliable despite its age and mileage. It stands out as a very good project truck for someone wanting a classic build, restoration, or custom upgrade. Additionally, it includes a set of extra 24-inch rims, adding value and giving the new owner more options for styling. Overall, it offers a solid foundation with great potential for anyone interested in a dependable older Chevy pickup.
Number 10.
1991 GMC 3500, price $7,000. This truck has approximately 130,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission, a silver exterior paired with a red interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is about 90% complete, needing only a few finishing touches to be fully done. It runs and drives well, supported by new brakes all around and a fresh set of Venom power tires. The driveshaft has been balanced and fitted with all new U-joints, and the truck also benefits from a new spindle lift kit. Powered by a 454 big block engine equipped with new TBI injectors, it offers strong performance. Overall, it's a clean truck that mainly needs minor detailing, and it comes with a Texas title.